Hi everyone, my name is Rishikesh Kanse and today I am here to discuss about the what is hash code in Java. The hash code is the method is the important method provided by the object class for comparing the objects. Since the object class is the parent class for all Java objects, hence all objects inherits the implementation default implementation of these two methods. In this topic we will see the detailed description of equals and hash code methods, how they are related to each other, and how we can implement these two methods in Java. Java equals the Java equals is a method of java.lang object class, and it is used to compare two objects that whether they are the same. It compares the value of both the objects attribute. By default two objects will be the same only if stored in the same memory location. Parameters object, it takes the reference object as the parameter with which we need to make the comparison. It returns the true if the both objects are the same, else returns false. General contract of equals method, there are some general principles defined by Java SE that must be followed while implementing the equals method in Java. The Java equals method must be reflexive. An object x must be equals to itself, which means for the object x equals should be returned true. Symmetric, for two given objects x and y, x equals y must return true if the only if equals x returns true. Transitive, for any object x and y, x y z are, if equals to y returns the true and y equals to z returns the true, then x equals to z should return true. Consistent, for any object x and y are the value of the equals y should change if for object x the equals to null must return false. Java hash code, a hash code is an integer value associated with every object in the Java, facilitating the hashing in the hash tables. To get this hash code value for an object, we can use the hash code method in Java. The method hash code that returns the integer hash code value of the given object. Since this is defined in the object class, hence it is inherited by user defined classes also. The hash code method returns the same hash value when called on two objects which are equals according to the equals method, and if objects are unequal, it is returns different hash code value. It returns hash code value for the given object. Contract for hash code method in Java, if two objects are the same as per equals object method, then if we call hash code method on each of the two objects, it must be provided the same integer result. As per the Java documentation, both the methods should be overridden to get the completed equally. Mechanism using equals alone is not sufficient. It means if we override the equals, we must override hash code method. We have to take two to four variables, out of which two are equals and two are unequal. First we have to compare the object whether they are equal or unequal, and based on the printed their hash code value, a and b are the variables, and they represent C and D are unequal variables, and they represents the inequality. So this is all about the Java hash code. Thank you.